Okay, so this is Maya Robbins from the 8 o'clock class, um, and I'm doing YouTube 5. Um, so initially I was having problems figuring out how to assign variables, but I found some different blogs and different places where people were sharing how to code, and that helped quite a bit. So first, what I started doing is I wrote in the comment here, wrote in the comment for question 5, and then I assigned numbers for each variable. Um, and then typed in the um, the equation that we were doing. Um, and it took some playing around, like I was changing up how I was writing things. But this is the one that worked in the end. Um, and so I set up the print statement so that it would ask me in the shell. Let's see, to ask me in the shell um, for how many years. And I selected 4 years and got this number, and I know it's correct. And yeah, thank you.